Alright, I'm gonna show you how to fish a new cable through that hole with the existing Comcast slack. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, there's enough slack here that I can pull this coax cable down, tie this pull string on it just so it can reach to the bottom so that I can fish cable up, or I can tie the Cat 6 cable to this and push it down. You know what? I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to attach the Cat 6 cable to this, tape it up nicely, and then fish it down with its own wire. I did not do this hole. I'm just going to use it to pull that Cat 6 cable down there. Alright, so what I have done is I have put a pull string for the next tech. Why not? And I've also attached the Cat 6 to it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull it in, and I probably have a second person to pull in the bottom, but I have enough slack here from coax that I can push it down. So there goes the cable that I need fished. If I didn't have this technique, then I would use blow rods and try to fish it that way. Probably open this a little bit more, but we're gonna pull from the bottom. It should be. It should be there. This is the other wire. I'm gonna open it now, guys. So I know what you guys are gonna say. You should have used a glow rod. You wouldn't have had all this issue. But you know what? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up here and I'm going to unplug the RCA here. I mean, not the RCA, but the coax cable. That way I can get, I can push it back, and then I can just, take this off and then push the coax back a little bit more, so I can get that cable. So I'm back here, I'm pulling, and there we go. We got the Cat 6. I'm gonna actually leave the pull string for the next tech, and that's how you pull wire. I could have used glow rods, but you know what? This was the easiest for me.